Can other people get a hold of world user data? It's right to be concerned about data breaches, given how commonplace they've become. But hackers can't trace data back to users if the network doesn't hold that data to begin with. After a person visits an orb, their photo is deleted from the orb and the images are not stored on any database. All that remains is a cryptographic proof that they are unique. It's completely anonymized. World ID track people's identities? No. After you visit the orb, you verify your World ID so you can anonymously and fully participate in the network. World does not know and is not designed to know the identity of its participants. But World ID is a bit of a misnomer. It's actually a digital proof that you're a human, not proof that you're a specific human or anything about you. A physical ID typically contains your name, address, birth date, and a photo. But the purpose of World ID is only to prove that you are A, human, and B, unique. Therefore, orb operators do not ask for any personal details, and the orb camera does not store your photos. World ID is a digital identity, right? Not identity, but humanness. World ID is a digital proof that you're human, not a specific human. Your World ID doesn't know your name, address, age, height, weight, or eye color. In other words, a digital identity is about who you are, whereas World ID is about what you are, a unique human. World buying data? While buying and selling data has become a popular business model, it's not ours. World's purpose is to be the real human network. We believe there's deep value in carving out places online where humans can be sure they're interacting with other humans, not bots. Our business is not to sell data, but instead to help companies that suffer from AI-fueled fraud while still maintaining anonymity online. To help grow the network, World offers a referral program that gives Filipinos who refer others the chance to claim World tokens. But the fundamentals remain the same. No personal data is shared with anyone when verifying their humanness at an orb. People have to visit an orb to use World? No. People can participate in the World network without verifying their World ID.